Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting sound flowing. Install Native Instruments drivers and a CO if on Windows, or allow device access on Mac OS. Once done, plug the Komplete Audio One into USB and power it up. The LED confirms connection. Next, open your DAW and select Komplete Audio One as input/output. Make sure sample rate and buffer are set to 44, 1 or 48 kHz, and 128/256 buffer samples to balance latency and stability. This prevents clicks and gives you a responsive monitoring setup from the first take. Now route sources and dial in levels. Plug your microphone into the XLR and instruments into the 1/4-inch input. Enable 48V Phantom only when using condenser microphones. Once connected, adjust the preamp gain until peaks sit near -6 decibels to preserve headroom. Watch the peak LED to avoid clipping. Then create input tracks in your DAW, assign the correct physical inputs, and choose direct monitoring if you need zero latency playback. Otherwise, use software monitoring for plug-in monitoring and effects. This maintains clean signal flow and reliable recording. Begin recording with a low-latency buffer and confirm levels again before pressing record. You should monitor through headphones to isolate the take and use the headphone and main output controls to set mix balance. When tracking, keep latency low. Once you move to mixing, increase the buffer for stability and plug-in headroom. Finally, if you encounter noise or distortion, stop, lower the preamp gain, swap cables, and make sure phantom power is only on for condensers. This single troubleshooting step solves most common interface problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.